Hello and welcome to Monday's Financial News Review. Stay tuned as Skyriss brings you the latest market news and insights to power up your week.
Intel stock rose 2.6% last Friday, closing at $34.50, driven by renewed investor interest in semiconductor stocks, amid optimism about Intel's strategic partnerships and AI-related opportunities. Last week, the Dow Jones rose 0.3%, the S&P 500 added 0.4%, and the Nasdaq Composite climbed 0.6%, with traders boosting bets on a Federal Reserve rate cut. U.S. gasoline futures fell to $1.88 per gallon on Monday, pulling back from a 6-week high, as the oversupply of petroleum commodities returned to the forefront of investors' concerns. The Canadian dollar weakened toward 1.41 per US dollar after a brief relief rally from the 7-month low, but the budget-driven lift quickly faded, as underlying fundamentals remained weak. Bitcoin traded above $87,000 this Monday, rising by 2.6% in 24 hours, though it remains down over 20% in the past 4 weeks. Let's take a look at today's key economic events. At 9 a.m., Germany will publish its November Business Climate Index, after reporting 88.4 in October. Later, at 3:30 p.m., the United States releases November figures for the Dallas Manufacturing Index, following October's reading of -5. Now, turning to tomorrow's highlights. At 1:30 p.m., the U.S. will announce September producer price inflation, after a decline of 0.1% in August. At the same time, U.S. retail sales are expected to show a decrease, compared with the 0.6% growth recorded in August.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news. We wish you a productive trading week.